Thanks, Sandy. The authorities are promising easier access to the formal medical ganja industry for traditional ganja farmers and Rastafari. The assurance follows major changes to the license program or the license process by the Cannabis Licensing Authority, CLA. But as you'll hear in this report, it may be a while before some communities in Western Jamaica can take advantage. Ganja farmers were not spared by Hurricane Melissa, and farmers in Western Jamaica were the worst hit. The farmers we spoke with say 6 months later, they are still trying to rebound from the losses. The CLA says planning prior to the hurricane helped to safeguard some local supply.
We have implemented an emergency and disaster protocol to safeguard crops and inventory during hurricane season, which proved highly beneficial after Hurricane Melissa. In the wake of the most catastrophic hurricane in our history, Jamaica did not have a shortage of cannabis.
The CLA's leadership is also inviting grassroots farmers to make use of the new policies now on offer. Among them, the special community permit. This allows traditional growers such as Rastafari communities to enter the industry as a group.
Some of the benefits include reduction in the financial barrier. It gives an opportunities to start at a small scale, and the applicants or participants will have access to our technical support team from the Cannabis Specialization Unit. It also gives the participants access to the sale of ganja within the licensed space, and all participants do not have to be located in the immediate physical location. And I believe, very importantly, there are no fees to be charged for this permit.
That permit will be accompanied by another special ganja cultivation license.
This permit allows small-scale farmers to enter the regulated space with a view to fully transition within 2 years. It allows 2 years to build capacity and to transition to at least a Tier 1 cultivator. It also reduces the financial barriers on the participants, and they will have access to our technical team, access to the sale of ganja within the licensed space, and again, there is no fee to this permit.
A big sticking point too for many stakeholders, the duration of licenses. Permits only last for 1 year. That has now been extended.
So over time, you will not be referred to as licensees anymore, but authorization holders, and the licenses will be authorizations. So now all authorizations will be tenured for 3 years. The cultivation authorization is now aligned to all the other license categories. Previously, the cultivation license was only tenured for 1 year. It allows less business interruption and allows the better business planning for authorization holders with less time and resources required for renewal.
The CLA says close to 200 licenses have been issued to players in the medicinal ganja sector, 100 in the last 4 years alone. Additionally, the CLA says its personnel have been trained to help provide technical advice to farmers in their fields.